Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you 50 plus breathable blouse design. So please watch the video till end. Friends, the blouse design is an important feature that grab attention and boost an individual attractiveness. It offers the opportunity to show off beautiful design, sleeve design and unique cutout, giving the saree an elegant look. The blouse design can enhance the beauty of the back, shoulder and sleeves, creating a compelling and feminine appeal. Friends, compared to old fashion style, modern blouse design style experiments and eye-catching transformation. Traditional blouse design often had insufficient plain design with title focus on fine details. But the current fashion has embraced creativity and innovation, which has led to a revolution in blouse design style. To produce a blouse design and appealing design, several factors should be taken into account when creating a blouse design for your saree. The first one is body type. Friends, the body type must be taken into account in priority while customizing the blouse design. The another one is comfort. Easy and comfort of the wear woman must be considered while customizing the design of the blouse. The another main thing is occasion. The blouse design must be selected according to the occasion. Friends, there are different type of blouse design are available in a market. The first design is keyhole blouse design. This keyhole blouse design has a modest keyhole shape cutout in the center of the back or sleeve, which is provide a attractive look. The another one blouse design is embroidery blouse design. The embroidery blouse design details give a touch of beauty and elegance and transform the blouse into an intricate piece of art. These kind of embroidery blouse best size for party wear, function, festival, wedding, engagement, get together and all other special event. Friends, the another best blouse design is button blouse design. Friends, a row of button running down the back or sleeve give the blouse a classic and beautiful appeal that give it a luxury sophisticated appearance. Friends, the another design is peep-hole back design. Friends, peep-hole blouse design is a style has small peepholes are cut out on the back or sleeve, offering a subtle and alluring view of the skin. Friends, the blouse design complete the traditional outfit in all aspects, whether it is saree or lehenga. It is incomplete without an attractive, appealing, and alluring blouse design. The blouse design has experienced significant changes in contemporary fashion. Friends, I hope you guys love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.